Hey, the name is still Optimistic Senior, and today's video or message will be full up video. So please, if you were new here and you have not watched the first video, please make sure you watch that video, and I'll put the link in the description below. So do well to watch that video before watching this one. Okay. So as I have said earlier, today's video is going to be full up video, so it will be very short, and it's all about how you can start writing and publishing your article on BlockPay so that you can start earning your money. So let's get started. So please, before we start, I want to say this: BlockPay here, every author have to pay a one-time payment, which is 30 cedis, and after the payment you will get authorization link, or you will get login details so that you can log in into your dashboard and start writing and publishing your article on BlockPay. So before we will start, I want to log into my account so that I can show you how the step-by-step way you can start writing and publishing your article on BlockPay. So let me log into my account. Oh, sorry, my data is off. Let me Okay, so I will type in my username, and my username is very simple. That's Optimistic News. That's my username. Then I will type in my password. Okay, here we are. Here is user BlockPay dashboard, and here is BlockPay dashboard. Now you have seen I've already published 117 article, and it is very good job. We have 1,058 authors. This site is only 2.5 months in Ghana here. You have seen my balance is 0.00. I have already cashed out, withdraw 100 cedis yesterday. I will show you the withdrawals, and it's still pending. I know by tomorrow by now I'm gonna receive that money in my mobile money account. My mobile money account is still flowing because of my smartphone. Yeah, I bought my smartphone 510 Ghana cedis. Yeah, that's 510. But as of now, I've already interest. I've already get interest more than that. So I want to show you how you can get that writing and publishing your article. Here you type that link plus link in the website here, add article, and it will redirect you into where you can log in into the PayPal. That's the site we are going to write a post for an article, paypal.com. Here you will type in your username and then the password. But I'm not going to log in here because I've already linked my account to WordPress, and I'm going to use WordPress to writing my article. So I want to go to WordPress and start publishing my article. Let me go to WordPress and show you the thing how you can start writing and publishing. A BlockPay is very good. As of now, as for me, I have been working with two sites as a blogger, and BlockPay is very much. Even though the first one I paid nothing for the registration. Registration is free, but BlockPay is very good because here BlockPay you are going to you can withdraw your money anytime when you reach your minimum withdrawal, which is 100 cedis, and 100 cedis you can get 100 cedis within 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Yeah, here we are, BlockPay. Yeah, so before you can start, you can publish the article. Here is title. Let me delete it so that I can show you. Yeah, so add that. So I'll type in how to make money online using your smartphone. Yeah, and then we'll start typing what you want to say. But first of all, you have to introduce yourself a little. I just write because of the video, the tutorials. I just did this. That's why you have seen this. Welcome once again. Here is Optimistic Zone, and here we give you all the best updates on how to make money online using your smartphone. So after that, we come to the main body. Making money online is very important because of the video. That's why I stop here. And this one you see is a feature image, and I will tell you the reason why I add the feature image. So if you want to add a feature image, you want to type here. Yeah, sorry. Let me delete this one so that I can show you. Remove. Yeah, so if you want to add a feature image, you want to type this blue and plus sign here, or type in image, add image, choose from from device. You can choose the image from anywhere. The image should be match with your article. The image you are going to use as a feature image should match with your article. So I'm saying the heading is how to make money online using your smartphone. So if you use smartphone as your feature image, it's very good. It's good. So here once again we'll type in there and come to post settings. Yeah, here I've already added the feature image. So if you want to add the feature image, type in here, or you can type. Let me remove this so that I can show you. Yeah, I'll type in set feature image, and this one I search from free photo library, and as I type in how to make money online using smartphone. Yeah, that's we have to wait for the thing to load. After the loading, yeah, you're going to find a nice image for your feature image. Money, which one should I use? Making money online using your smartphone. Which one should I use? Okay, bro, tell me, which one should I use? Please once again make sure you have subscribed to this channel, because here is Optimistic Zone, and optimistic means hope and confidence. So we are very optimistic that we can show you, or we can help you to make, we can help you, or we can assist you in your to become financial freedom. That's why we are making this video. It's because of you. That's why we are making this video. I mean, I can't find any image to use here. So if you are watching, you can tell me which image should I use. Okay, I want to use this image. Use this photo. Yeah, I will use it. User. So I have to wait for the thing to upload. Yeah, we have seen it has already uploaded, and it is here nicely, perfectly. If you are watching, see perfectly. Yeah, after you have set the feature image, you type in the publish sign here. Yeah, and because this is I mean, sorry, because I made this main article because of the tutorials. Sorry, because of the tutorials. So I don't want to publish this because there's nothing I'm going to publish. So let me tell you this: after you have published the article, you have to copy the heading, the title of the article, because this one is going to help you to monitor your article that you have published. So copy the article and go back to your BlockPay account or your BlockPay dashboard. Here we go back to BlockPay. Here PayPayza, the site you have published, you're going to publish your article. So we are going back to BlockPay and add our post over there so that we can see what our post or what our article is doing, either it's going to make us money or so. Once we are here, sorry, that the feature made I have already show you is very, very, very important. That's why they're always adding or putting the ads on it on the site here. So when you scroll down here, you will see ad post. So when you type in the ad post, you paste your link over here and press submit button. Because this is the tutorials, I will not add this one because this is nothing, and I have published nothing about how to make money online using yours. Okay, although I have already published something like that, but this one now heading or title is not, I have not published anything now yet here. So I will close this. Okay, please, I want to show you the reason why I'm saying you can make 500 Ghana cedis or more within or less than a month. So here BlockPay. Okay, let me show you my withdrawal procedures before starting. Okay, let me go. See, withdrawal. I just started this BlockPay work past 10 days. I just started past 10 days, and you have seen, and I don't have much time doing this writing article because I'm very, 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 very busy, always very busy. So I don't have time to share my links on social media. But I will show you on the next video. I'm going to show you how you can get 2K. At least 2K every day. At least 2K every day. And I will during the calculation, I will show you how much you can get when you get 2K clicks or 2K views on one article. So this is mine, and this is my withdrawal, and it's processing. Sorry, it is processing. By all means, tomorrow by now I'm going to receive that money in my account. So please, thank you once again for watching this video, and make sure you have subscribed to this channel because here is Optimistic Zone. Please let me go back to let's leave here so that I can show you how much you can when you get 2K on one post. So let me use my calculator here to assist you calculating. This calculator. So okay, BlockPay pay 0.15 pesos per view or per click. So 0.15 times 2,000, that's 2K. So if you get 2K every day, you are going to get 300 cedis. Isn't that amazing? This is very, 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 very amazing. If you get only 2K, that's 2,000 views or 2,000 clicks a day on just a single article, you're going to receive 300 Ghana cedis in your account, and you can withdraw that 300 cedis that day. So assuming you have published 5 articles a day, and then each of the article gives you 2K, that's 2000. So you're going to multiply that 2000 by 5 because you have published 5 article a day. So we are going to multiply the 300 by 5. So 300 times 5. So 1500 Ghana cedis. Wow. Oh, I have not do this calculation. I should have stopped what I am doing and start concentrating on. And start concentrating on BlockPay, because wow, BlockPay is really amazing. Oh, sorry for the notification. BlockPay is really amazing. So please, next video I'm going to show you how you can make, or how you can get 2K, that's 2000 clicks or views a day. Thank you for watching this video, and please make sure you will subscribe to this channel, so that you will not miss our next video. Our next video is going to help you to make more money. Love you all. Wish you happy Sabbath. Thank you for watching Optimistic Senior.